Do you love the holidays? I love this time of year. I love Thanksgiving, Christmas, all the holidays, the fun activities, being with family, being able to give thanks, give gratitude, and just have a ton of fun right now. A lot of people, you might find it a little stressful, especially if you are trying to find the perfect gift for your family members. So today, for those of you who celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, all of the things in between. And I would love for you to comment below on what are your traditions, what are the things that you love to do during this time of year. So my favorite things that we do as a family, first thing that we do, day after Thanksgiving, and it's a tradition that my mom started, is we take down all the fall decorations. We pull out all the Christmas decorations. We put in the movie White Christmas. Yes, I'm talking about the Ben Crosby White Christmas. We're going old school, you guys. One of my favorite movies of all times. I can sing every song. My sister and I, we can do the sisters. They were never such devoted sisters. That song we can sing. You don't want us to, as you can tell. We can sing and dance that entire song. That's playing in the background. We're decorating, we're putting up the tree. Typically, Mom always made hot chocolate. We would always have some goodies to eat, some leftover Thanksgiving food. But it was just always a day to just prep for the holidays, because we all loved the holidays, and that's our family tradition. And I started teaching Thad this tradition now because my husband works always the day after Thanksgiving, unfortunately. That's what you get for being a FedEx Express courier, right? He's always being Santa for everybody else, but Thad and I, at least, we are creating that tradition together. Second thing that we always do is baking. Me, my mom, and my sister Rachel, we love to bake, and we would bake all day, like literally 15, 20 different types of cookies. Like, we would bake for the entire month, and we would have hundreds of cookies by the time the day was done. And we would create tins and give out tins to different family members and friends. One of our family traditions is we would always drive down to the Florida Keys, and we would go see my grandma and grandpa Russ during Christmas. And my great grandma Butarf, she would always bring us these huge, like 2 to 3 huge tins of cookies, just piled high. And we always got to pick one tin for ourselves to eat on the drive down, because it was a 24-hour drive back in the 80s, back in the day. Yes, I'm dating myself a little bit. But then, we'd always have a couple other tins of cookies for the rest of the family when we got down there. Another tradition that we always have was Christmas Eve. We would always go to the midnight service, have an amazing meal. We would fix meals from scratch, like these huge elaborate meals. My sister and I thought we were Martha Stewart, and we would fix like prime rib roast and all this crazy stuff, and we would try all these crazy recipes. Those were our holiday traditions growing up that we absolutely love, and some of the things that I'm passing down to Thad. I know a lot of friends, especially when we got kids, and you're of Christian faith, a lot of times Christmas Eve, they always have the kid program for church, and I know a lot of people do that on Christmas Eve. But what's your Christmas traditions? How do you have fun and develop traditions during the holidays? And I know a lot of holidays, for some families, it brings some sadness, but don't forget, it is also a time to give thanks, reflect on the year, and then hopefully, if it has been a year of challenge for you, remember that there is always hope for what's to come. And so I challenge you to just pick 1 or 2 things to give you hope this holiday season, to make it special with the friends and family around you, and to enjoy the blessings that you have. Until next time, make it a blessed day.